The Case for Replay by WB Manufacturing. Before replay, there were traditional cabinets screwed to the wall, fixed in place, and there forever. Today's world requires so much more than a cabinet that is fixed and has only one purpose.
Today's world requires a cabinet that you can easily bring into the classroom.
Today's world requires replay. Replay cabinets are meant to be mobile, reused, repurposed, save money over time, and make installation easy. On top of all that, replay cabinets have a modular option, which allows you to have the same look as traditional fixed cabinets without the burden and all the benefits. Benefits include caster options for easy mobility, built-in levers on modular units, and hidden casters to make a unit look modular but still be movable at any time. Reconfigurations are one of the biggest benefits of replay, as you can use the same cabinets in different spaces based on need. Reconfigure any room for any purpose. Optional magnet docking helps make sure a line of mobile cabinets do not move. This video shows curved bookcases being reconfigured and lined up with magnet docking. Another benefit is that all finishes and hardware can match each other if sourced from WB, meaning the replay cabinets you buy will all have the same clean look if you desire. Replay cabinets are built to last through the years. Components such as heavy-duty casters, caster decks, tops, subtops, and some bottoms will all make these cabinets long-lasting. And let's not forget about the fully doweled panels. Other key features include optional marker board for interactive learning and a choice of standard TFL construction or premium HPL finish. Once replay is in the classroom, you will find that agility, flexibility, active learning, hands-on learning, and reconfigurations are part of the endless benefits you will have for years to come. If you are considering looking into replay cabinets, wait no longer. Contact the WB sales rep today to find out the financial benefits of having replay cabinets.